This video I'm doing is to demonstrate how to transfer files, your iSilo files, from your Windows Vista PC to your iPhone. Now, so the first thing we'd want to do is to set up some stuff here on your PC. We want to go first to your start button and to your control panel. In control panel, you want to click on programs, and you want to go here to turn Windows features on or off. Click continue video. Once your Windows features box opens up, you want to go ahead and click this box here, Internet Information Services. Mine is already done. And once you click that, you want to go ahead and click OK. Now, if this is the first time it's been configured, another box will come up that will say that, please wait while the features are configured, and this might take several minutes. So it could take up to 10 minutes based on the speed of your computer. Once it's configured, you want to go back to your control panel, and in the left section here you want to click on System and Maintenance, and then you want to scroll down to Administrative Tools. Click on that. Now you'll notice here you'll see Internet Information Services. Some versions will probably say just IIS Manager, so that's what we're looking for. Double click on that. Now that the Internet Information Services window is open, you want to come over to your left side, on the connections, and expand the tree here by clicking on the triangles. Expand this folder until you get to this globe which says default website. Click that once, come over to the right side on the actions and click explore. Now we want to create a new folder here, and we're going to name it iSilo. To do that, we click on organize it, click new folder, continue, click continue, and just name that folder iSilo. When you're done, you can close that out, get back to your Internet Information Services, and just refresh that that window by clicking this little green icon. Now expand there and you'll see your iSilo folder. Click on iSilo folder, come over and click explore. Notice it's empty. This is, at this point, is where we're going to go in and get the iSilo files that we need to transfer to our iPhones and put them into this folder. So you'll pull up your window where your files are at. It may be you might have them in documents. Wherever you have it in the computer, you want to open up another window. Mine is actually on the desktop here. I'm going to pull it over into my documents folder. And all you have to do is right click on this, click copy, come over to the iSilo folder that you just created, right click and click paste. Click continue, continue, and there is your first iSilo file that will be transferring to our iPhone. So you do this for all the other files that you have to transfer to your iPhone. Once you're done transferring those files, just go ahead and close this out. Now with iSilo still highlighted, we want to come over to directory browsing, and we want to double click on directory browsing, and we want to enable directory browsing. So we click enable, and notice when we did, the difference in this section here. So we enable directory browsing, and now these are able to be functional, but we're going to leave that as it is, and we want to back out of this and go back to our iSilo home, and then we want to double click on the MIME types, and here we're going to add a file extension called .pdb, Palm Database. That's what it stands for. So when this box comes up, type in .pdb, and in the other box here, you want to type application and / OCTET dash STREAM, and click OK. Now I'm not going to click OK because I already have this file extension on my computer, so I'll just cancel. You will go ahead and click OK, and you can double check this by just scrolling down to the P's, and you should see that Palm database extension there. Okay, now we want to go back once that's done, and we can now close this window out and the other window, and now we're going to check on the firewall. We're going to make some settings. So in control panel, you want to go ahead and click on network and internet. When that comes up, click on Windows firewall, and you want to go and click change settings. Continue. You want to now click on the exceptions tab and scroll down. I think it's all the way to the bottom. You want to check worldwide web services. So go ahead, check this, click OK, and then you can close this out, and we can close this out. The final step in setting up our PC is to check our IP address. To do that, we want to click on Start, click Network, click on Network and Sharing Center, and beside Local Area Connection, we want to click View Status. Now, you want to go ahead next and click Details. When you do that, you're going to look for what it says IP address. It might says IPv4 IP address. Write that number down. It might be like something like 198.168. A series of numbers and dot periods in between. So just look for the thing that says IP address and write that down on a piece of paper, because we're going to need that for inputting into your iPhone. I won't click on this now because for security reasons, I don't want my IP address shown. Once you get that number, IP address, then you can go ahead and close out these boxes. And now we're going to go ahead and set up our iPhone.